Wow, look at this giant strawberry. Perfect for our shortcake. Careful, let's harvest it gently. I've got it. This strawberry is huge. Help me load it onto the truck. All right, let's take it to our kitchen. Ready? Pull. Time to wash our strawberry nice and clean. Make sure every side is sparkling fresh. Let's slice this giant strawberry. These slices are going to be delicious. Add the flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. Mix it well. Our cake batter is ready. Careful, pour the batter slowly. Perfect, the cake pan is full. Into the oven it goes. Now we wait for the cake to rise. Whip the cream until it's fluffy. It's getting there. This cream will make our cake perfect. Yay! Spread the cream and add the strawberries.
Layer by layer, it's looking beautiful.
Our giant strawberry shortcake is ready. Who wants the first slice?
Me, I do! Want to see more giant food adventures? Then subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Petite Lady.